couple weeks ago I was riding, breakdown, $1,500. New tires, $600 not long after. Now, registration, it's gonna be $700-800 all up. It's just money, man. You can't, it's so shit, man. You can't even afford to run a fucking motorbike these days, man. Seriously. 500 there, 700 there, 900 here. Fucking just money. Bro, you need to earn $3 grand a week in Sydney to be able to live, have a car, have a motorbike, maybe one holiday. You need $3 grand a week, man.